Three signs that you are going to succeed in this year. All right, number one is because you have learned a lot about the things that work for you and the things that don't work for you. So you're gonna choose the things that actually work for you instead this time. Number two, which is you have learned that asking for help is okay. It's all right to ask for help whenever you need the help because in every human, there is a need to help others. Just like you help people, be ready to receive help from other people and just ask people who have done things that you need to get done so they could help you out. And there's no shame in asking for help because we are we are programmed in a society where it just stops us from asking for help uh, just because it makes us feel insecure about ourselves. But this time you know that you can't really do everything yourself, so you need other people's help as well. So you're gonna ask for help and you're gonna get the help, and you're gonna get things on a much faster and much larger scale as well. Number three is that you're going to act, and you're not going to procrastinate about taking action. If you're worried about the decision or whatever it is, you're just gonna do whatever you need to do. If you need help, you're gonna ask for help, as we talked about it. But otherwise, you're just gonna act because the sooner you act, the better you find out if this works for me or if this does not work for me. So you're just gonna act and go after whatever you're going and then see the result. If it doesn't work, then you're gonna say, okay, all right, I'm just gonna skip this part. I'm just gonna try another way. And this will make things much faster and much better for you and simple. Very, very simple. There are things that work and there are things that don't work. So you go with the things that click for you and the people that click with you. And this is it. You don't have to force anything. This is what you've learned because forcing things takes a lot of energy from you, and you need that energy to get where you need to get. All right, so these are the three most important things I think that are signs that you're going to get where you need to get in this year. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day.